Unseen struggles? Virat Kohli's journey beyond the pitch. Virat Kohli is celebrated as one of the greatest batsmen of modern cricket, but behind his fearless strokes lies a tale of unseen struggles. His journey was not just about records and centuries, it was about resilience, pain, and inner battles. From a young boy in Delhi carrying a heavy kit bag on crowded buses to a national icon, Kohli's life was shaped by sacrifices. One of the most defining moments came in 2006 when he lost his father during a Ranji match. Instead of giving in to grief, he returned to the pitch the next morning and scored crucial runs for his team, a decision that showed his unshakable dedication to the game. As fame followed, so did pressure. Every failure on the field became a headline, and every run drought sparked criticism. Kohli faced struggles with mental fatigue, self-doubt, and the burden of expectations from millions of fans. Yet, he chose honesty over denial, openly speaking about his battles with anxiety and the importance of mental well-being. Beyond the pitch, Kohli worked tirelessly on his fitness, transforming himself into one of the fittest athletes in the world, proving that success isn't born only from talent, but from discipline and sacrifice. His unseen struggles, whether personal loss, public scrutiny, or inner storms, shaped the man who continues to inspire millions today. Kohli's story reminds us that behind every champion's smile are silent battles fought in the dark, unseen by the world but vital in creating greatness. Thanks for watching the video.